Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Go ahead, go to Instagram first of all, then go ahead, go to this search icon, and then go ahead, go to search bar. Now, if you don't remember their name, what you can do is you can simply go ahead, add in a hashtag, and then you can go ahead search with the hashtag. Next thing what you can do is you can simply go ahead and sync your phone contact. For that, you need to simply go ahead, cancel this, go to profile, tap on 3 horizontal line on top right corner. Then you're going to go ahead, go to the section of how other can interact with you, tap on follow and invite friends. Then you're going to go ahead, go to follow contacts, and when you do that, you should be able to tap on continue. Instagram will access your contacts and show the profiles. That's how you can find them if you have their contact. Next thing is you can go ahead, tap on invite friends by, and you can invite them through any of these options, or you can go ahead sync your WhatsApp, you can sync your messages, Snapchat, Messenger, Facebook, Threads, whatever you prefer. Make sure that your person is in one of these platforms and you will be able to access their profile. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.